everybody, and welcome to another 180 Markets Raise Day edition. And well, friends, before we begin, we have to acknowledge the big fall in the markets overnight. But that is why we are focusing on companies with stock-specific catalysts and news that can control their destiny. And it takes a while, but then there is big upside. And that's why I'm thrilled today to be joined by Cann Global's CEO, Jenny Pilcher, because Jenny just announced yesterday a pilot deal with Chemist Warehouse that really is a seminal event for the company. And we're going to hear all about it and especially about the future. And with that intro, Jenny, welcome.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Great. Hey, Jenny, as I mentioned yesterday, hot off the presses, the Chemist Warehouse supply agreement. Maybe just talk to us about it.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Greg. So very pleased to announce the Chemist Warehouse partnership that we executed yesterday. So the first part of this is we've signed on 11 outlets whom are based in Queensland. And Queensland is one of our largest state user of medicinal cannabis. And those 11 outlets are able to now buy Cann's medicinal cannabis products directly from us and dispense it to their patients via SAS and authorised prescriber. So it's the start of what we hope is going to be a partnership that grows from here. And we're very, very excited about it.
Right. And Jenny, can you just talk to us also specifically, because Chemist Warehouse doesn't just sign up anybody, Cann Limited, can you just tell us maybe a little bit more about your competitive edge of your product?
Yeah, so we're a local grower in Australia. We have our facility in regional Victoria. And so we focus on high quality product. We have a full GMP facility, so it's got a very rigorous quality system and process through it. And this year we will be producing around 5.5 tonne of dried flower through our facility. We predominantly sell that through our Botanitek brand. And we have a mixture of formulations, so flower, oils, vapes. We're about to launch a gummies range. And so Chemist Warehouse, through this agreement, can have access to all of our products directly from us without having to go through the normal distributor channels.
Right. And Jenny, can you just talk to us about the future? Now, you said you're in 11 stores in Queensland. Now, the whole network has about 600 stores. What does the next 12 months look like for you in a perfect success world?
Yeah, so that's a good question. We have a direct sales team based in Queensland and Victoria. So the plan would be to focus on outlets based in those states to try and grow that 11 from that 11. And then ultimately, Greg, it would be about trying to obtain a more national-based agreement with Chemist Warehouse, nationally. That's the end target there.
Right. And then turning to today, the capital raising, what are the use of funds primarily?
Oh, we will definitely use these funds to grow revenue. So it will be all about, focusing on our production and our facility and also our import range, which we will be able to, it'll be great to try and accelerate that because it's a good revenue stream for us.
Right. And Jenny, could you have an idea about when would be the first revenue from this contract coming through?
Well, we would be hoping that they would be starting to place orders today, right? So
okay.
We will start seeing revenue imminently from that. We won't necessarily report it like that in our disclosures, but yes, we would be expecting orders coming through shortly.
Right. And for investors, obviously, all you need to do then, I suppose, is just check the quarterly activities reports?
Correct. Yes, that's it.
Right. Jenny, before we go, because I know it's a busy time, maybe just tell us a little bit of a backstory on the deal there. How long did it take to get this done?
Well, credit goes to our Queensland team there and to our head of commercial, Carlin Villani. My understanding is this was a fairly quick deal, probably took about 2 to 3 months in the making, which from start to finish. So pretty efficient, I would say.
Right. And obviously it comes down to then who you know. And as you said there, having the whole team behind you there. And I know from your experience throughout the healthcare industries, having a team is critical, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. Yes. No, our credit goes to the team very much so.
Right. Jenny, thank you very much. We know you're doing a lot of stuff today. We really appreciate your time, and we are super excited about today and the future.
Great. Thanks for having me, Greg.
Bye-bye.